If you are not able to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time on your YouTube channel to get it monetized, here is a trick through which you can monetize your channel and earn money. There is a website called U2Zing in which you have to go and register yourself first by just filling up some basic details. Once the account has been created, sign in with your credentials. Once you have signed in, follow the steps and click on New Channel. You have to fill the basic details of your channel. It will take 4 to 6 hours to get your channel verified. Once the verification has been done, you will be notified on your registered email. Once the account has been verified, sign in again and click on Music List. Download the music and add the music in your next upcoming YouTube videos. You will get a copyright claim on that video. Voila, that's a good news. You'll start earning money through that video. The website has a threshold of $50. Once you reach the mark, you can withdraw your money from your PayPal account. Thanks guys for watching. If you like, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.